Can we use leather with a clear conscience these days? Isn't this always how leather is produced? Or is there another way? I went in search of good stories about leather and where to find them. Do animals really have to suffer to make leather? I visited a modern tannery to get some answers. A responsible tanner who really cares about leather as a natural material also cares about animal welfare. Because an animal skin can only become high-quality leather if the animal has been well treated and had a good life. That's why animal cruelty has no place in sustainable leather production. A tanner will always try to source locally and make full use of this valuable raw material. In any case, cattle aren't killed to make leather. Animal skins are a byproduct of the meat and dairy industries. How unhealthy and dangerous is leather production? Are chemicals always delivered like this? In the modern tanning industry, it's a different story. The chemicals used are obtained from registered sources that are monitored and licensed by the authorities. The barrels and tanks are safely covered and enclosed. Metering systems are used to pump the liquids directly into the vats. The employees wear compulsory protective clothing and exposure to chemicals is kept to an absolute minimum. They told me that their pay is regulated and their interests are represented by a trade union. Can leather production really be sustainable when it uses so much water and produces so much effluent? Actually, high-tech tanning businesses have managed to reduce water consumption from 80 cubic meters per ton of hides to less than 25 cubic meters. Sustainable tanneries have their own water purification system or use a shared system that treats the wastewater. And they either reuse it in their own production process or return completely clean water back to the natural water cycle. Why should I buy expensive leather shoes when I can easily get cheaper ones on the high street?
High-quality leather shoes will last for years or even decades. A shoe with a high-quality leather sole and breathable leather lining, beautifully crafted and finished. You can't beat the wearing comfort that gives you.
Why is it so important to use high-quality leather to make handbags?
Leather has the right look, that high-quality reputation. It scores over other materials because it lasts for such a long time, and the quality is unbeatable. It's warm, soft, and everlasting.
So what do you get with responsibly produced leather? Certainly lots of expertise, years of experience, and a passion for quality. Not all leather is the same. Choose products made from certified, sustainably produced leather. Of course, there are big differences between producers, but that also means there are leather manufacturers out there to whom social responsibility and the environment are very important. Next time you go shopping, ask where the leather comes from. You can also find more information online. Insist on responsibly produced leather and make a difference.